Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's another fun day because I created the stag look for you guys, and I hope you do like it because I had a lot of fun creating it, and my antlers are falling off, but that's okay because it's gonna fall off anyway. But yeah, if you have not, please like and subscribe to my channel, ring my bell, and let's get into this video because I am House Baratheon today. Today I'm for Robert Baratheon, Renly Baratheon, Stannis. I really did like Renly, even though he got murdered, which was not fair. All the Baratheons, well, Robert, he died because of, he got injured, but with Stannis, what you did to your daughter, Stannis, no, Shireen did not deserve that, no. But anyways, I had a lot of fun creating this video. I hope you guys like it, and yeah, let's get into this video. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do the Baratheon look, the Baratheon house. Robert Baratheon, Renly Baratheon, they are the stag. So they are this one down here. So I'm going to do a black and gold kind of look and probably do some antler kind of things. So if you haven't, please like and subscribe to my videos, ring my bell, and I can't wait to see how this look will turn out. Thanks. So I primed and prepped my face already. I used my Black Opal Heavenly Honey Black Opal concealer. I love this stuff. It's really great coverage, and it's a really great inexpensive foundation. And this brand tends to more darker skin tones, but I really like it because I like the formula and I like how it goes on my face. I also used my Makeup Revolution Fast Base Concealer in the color, I don't know the color. C12, it's C12, that's the color. So yeah. The palettes I'm gonna use, I think I'm gonna also use the ones I used yesterday. My Juvia's Place palette and my Morphe 35V. I need to get like the really gold yellowy color. I know I have it, I just have to look for it. Let me look for this like really bright yellow is what I'm going for. In my Rivera palette, it has this really nice inheritance goldish color. That's really bright. I think I'm gonna use that. And there's also this cabana color too, so I'll see how those go. I've never used this palette yet, so I'm excited to use it too. Alright, so let's see what I'm going to do. I don't know. Oh, I'm also going to use my MAC print, this Beauty Mark and Print. These are two really nice dark colors. I like to keep everything in the boxes. I don't know why, I've always been that way, especially with all my makeup and stuff. Helps me keep everything, I guess, just together. Yeah, I'm excited because Sunday my friend Rachel, hi Rachel, she invited me over to her house for a Game of Thrones viewing party. I will stop by and I'm going to create a look. I don't know, I think I'm going to be Daenerys, but I don't know which Daenerys look I'm going to do. As long as my Daenerys wig comes in time, I'll be able to pull this off. If not, I'll probably do a Stark look. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. We'll see how I'm feeling on Sunday. But oh my gosh, it's getting closer and I'm super excited for let it be Sunday already. So this week, I just hope there's no bullshit at work and all this other crap, because there's always some bullshit at work, but whatever, that's work. We want to play on the weekend. So yeah, I'm really excited for this season. It's going to be a bittersweet season, but it is what it is at this point. Well, I'm going to use my Too Faced Shadow Insurance and put this on my eyebrow, on my eyelids. Okay, sorry about that, my camera died. So I added in the zone a little bit above the yellow because I kind of wanted this more of a look. This reminds me more of a stag than not having like a brown on top. I don't know if I should go darker. Maybe I'm gonna go a little bit darker too, just to see how that's gonna look. I like how this looks better with the darker browns. That's okay about the yellow, I can always go over it. So I've never used Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes before, so this is my first time using this palette and this brand of palettes. That's not true. I do have the Subculture palette, but I haven't done any looks with it yet. But I really do like the formula of this Rivera palette. This is a shimmery color, and it's very buttery. Kind of shimmery too. There is fallout, but you know, you can always fix the fallout. I'm gonna blend the brown and the gold together. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take 103 brush and I'm going to use Print, my dark color. I also could use the Morphe. So this is what I have so far. I know it looks a little bit messy, but it's going to look good when I'm done. So give me about a little bit more time and then it's gonna look really good. I just have to like contour my nose, do the other side, and then do a couple more things. So this stag look is gonna look pretty amazing. So far I'm loving how the colors have come out. I've done a little bit more than I was going to, but that's alright. So my stag look is almost completed. This looks so good. I can't believe how good this looks. It looks so crazy because look at it. So all I did was draw on the nose. I used my Urban Decay 24/7 black liner and I lined my lips. And I just pulled them in a little bit. And then to get the curve around the lips, I lined it a little bit, but then I took just my brush and I blended it up. I'm just gonna put do a little bit of contouring on my face, and then I think my look would be finished. My stag look. My Baratheon look. Like how this came out. This came out so awesome. Wow. And I did follow a little bit of some other girl's tutorial. She did a reindeer look, so I figured I could incorporate it and make it into a stag look. So I really love how this turned out. I'm just going to do a little bit, I'm just gonna highlight a little bit more, then my look will be completed. Okay, I completed my look and I absolutely love it. It looks so good. I think I have to work on this part a little bit more. I just stuck it in just to complete my look, but I love this look. I really like a stag, even though my antlers are gonna come off my head soon. But yeah, if you have not, please like and subscribe to my videos, ring my bell, and I really hope you guys enjoy this look as much as I had creating it. So again, I'm so excited for Sunday, Game of Thrones. Make sure you guys watch it, and please like and subscribe to my videos because I'm a small YouTube channel trying to just share what I love to do with all of you guys. Bye, Every Birdie. Thank you so much. Here are my cockatiels. This is Baby Cal, and that's Lord Leo. Baby Cal wants to be everywhere Lord Leo is. Do not jump on him. If you jump on him, I'll put you away. Nope. Hi, Leo. Say hi. Say hi, Mom. We had another cockatiel, but he passed away 2 years ago. So we ended up getting him. Ah! He's a bottom.